HYDRO MOUSSE is marketing genius. It's a brand new lawn in a bottle, and it's super easy to use. The grass is going to grow wherever you spray it, and all you have to do is connect your garden hose, spray it on new soil or a spot, and you'll get a beautiful lawn like this. And that might sound a bit far-fetched, but who knows, maybe HYDRO MOUSSE can really work. And in this video, we're going to put that claim to the test and see if HYDRO MOUSSE can really grow new grass. When you buy HYDRO MOUSSE, this is exactly what you'll get, and everything you need should be inside this one bottle. Now, HYDRO MOUSSE says that it's similar to hydroseeding a lawn, and commercial hydroseeding really works. They mix grass seed, some water, along with some chemicals that put the grass seed on your soil and make it stick, and it usually gives a really good result, but it requires some pretty expensive equipment. To get started, I've got to open up the HYDRO MOUSSE bottle, and inside it does have a pretty unusual design. You get a set of directions along with this bag of grass seed. And this isn't just any type of grass seed. HYDRO MOUSSE says it's a custom blend that they developed. And here's the real secret called the mousse additive. Now the instructions say to open this packet up and put everything inside the container along with the grass seed. And now we're ready to go, and we just need to connect our garden hose. Now this bottle has a valve on top that is adjustable. You can set it to off, water only, or it can be adjusted between light or heavy seeding. And the instructions say to set it according to the area you're going to be doing. And here's our test area. This is the right side of my shed, and it couldn't be much better because this is high quality soil that should be perfect for growing grass. And if you watched my last video, you might remember that I put down grass seed, but I only did it on the left side of the shed. And now I've got a perfect test site because on the right side of my shed, I'm using HYDRO MOUSSE. On the left side, I'm using regular grass seed, and I put them both down on the same day. And using the HYDRO MOUSSE is easy. The only thing you have to watch out for is you've got to let the jug fill up with water first. Now it's easy to do. You just set it to the light or the heavy seed setting, and as soon as that water turns green, now you can start applying it to the lawn. And now it looks a lot like the TV commercial. Now that single container will allow you to do about 100 square feet of turf, or of course you could use it for a number of spots in your lawn. And after I was done, I noticed a couple of things. After about a half hour, most of that green foam was gone, and you could just see a little bit of foam on some parts of the soil. And when I looked really close, you could in fact see grass seed, and it did seem to do a pretty good job getting that seed evenly spread across the soil. And I watered this stuff every day, and that's exactly how you should take care of any new grass seed that you're putting down. And here's that same area after just 4 days. Now it is the middle of August and it's really hot, and I was watering every single day, but I was still blown away to see this kind of activity this quickly. And after seeing that initial growth, I was really encouraged, and I stuck with the daily waterings and made sure that none of that dirt ever dried out completely. And now for the big reveal, after 2 weeks, this is the area that was done with the HYDRO MOUSSE. Now overall, there was a lot of grass growing, and I was actually surprised at how evenly it was able to spread out the new seed. So does this mean that HYDRO MOUSSE is the way to go, and it's something you should buy for yourself? Well, don't run out to the store quite yet, because we need to look at the other side of the shed to see how well the regular grass seed did compared to the HYDRO MOUSSE. The difference is huge. The regular grass seed is much thicker, you can see a lot more mature blades, and overall, it just looks a lot better. And this area does have some bare spots that might have been caused by rainfall, or maybe some of the seed just didn't take. Given a few more weeks, I think these bare spots will fill in, and some of the more mature grass almost looks like you could already mow it. After completing these tests in the best conditions possible for grass seed, I can say that HYDRO MOUSSE is real, and it really did grow grass. But it didn't grow a lot of it, so this isn't going to be a good choice for a new area or if you're seeding a larger space. But my other concern is the grass seed itself. This might just be a faster growing variety, and I've never seen any type of mature lawn that was put in with HYDRO MOUSSE to know if it's going to look good overall. The other problem is many people buying it think they're just going to spray it on a crappy lawn and it's going to make it look beautiful, and unfortunately that's not the case. If you want to renovate your lawn, whether it's big or small, I'd recommend watching some of the videos I've made that make the job as easy as possible but can still give you some good results in the long run. I hope this video was helpful and finally answered the question if HYDRO MOUSSE actually works or is it a scam. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.